Good morning, everybody. It is Monday morning, and we are going to show you something a little different. We got a huge wax stain. Well, I wouldn't call it a stain, I'd just call it a wax spill over here in the corner. These folks are selling their house. And if you can come close and look at this huge bunch of wax right there. We're going to remove that. Pretty simple process with an iron. Turn that about medium or so. Put a towel on there. And essentially we are just melting the wax into the towel. It's kind of a long process, so. But other than sometimes we can use hot steam and some solvent to get it up, but there's quite a bit here, so this will probably take a few minutes. Hey, welcome back, folks. We're wrapping it up here. This is the same corner I've been working on the last 25 minutes. And if you remember how much wax was in here, you'll see a vast improvement. Still a little bit right there, but what do you think?
Look at that. Wax be gone.
Would you rate that a success? Thumbs up for yes or thumbs down for no? But this is something that you can do yourself at your house. Just a roll of paper towels and an iron, and just change out the paper towels as soon as that wax melts into it. Change it out, put another one there, and keep at it. Save yourself some money from paying us high dollar guys. And of course, we're going to pre-spray this carpet, and I'll probably apply some citrusol right there, work it in with the CRB, and then steam clean, and it'll be completely gone.
Yes.
I'm happy. I might do that other round. I can still do it.
Yep, I'll look it up. Okay. I'm almost done. I got 15 seconds and I'll be out.